All right, guys, Anthony Speciale here with Speciale Analysis. Hope everyone's having a wonderful Labor Day weekend. Just want to bring this brand new S&P 500 sell trigger to your attention. Last week, we had a trigger to buy this market. You can see it took an incredible rally there. And maybe we're in for a breather. And if that seems to be the case, like, listen, A, it's welcomed, and B, what the hell? Let's profit from it. So let me just quickly recap the buy opportunity that we saw last week, and then I'm going to discuss the sell opportunity at hand right now at the moment. I'll go over the trade rules very quickly because I just really need to see, you guys need to see this in action. Now, I'm on the most conservative recommended setting, and the reason for that is, listen, I don't need to take a lot of trades. Just a couple of them a week. And listen, it does more than pay my bills. So, with that being said, I'm more than happy to be patient and wait for the setup that I want. So let me, again, break down what happened last week. We had a trend change here in the bottom left corner. You can see that blue arrow printed. Market impulse corrected, and ultimately broke through the profit band. Now, this break of the profit band is, in fact, what we need for a trigger to transpire. If you didn't see the video I shared last week on it, just go to my YouTube or my website or wherever. It's everywhere. Watch it, and you'll get a real, insight to exactly how this all transpired. I'm just recapping it quickly so that you see the process. Trigger printed, you buy the market at the close of that candle, and you take your profit as you so desire. Now, I take my profit, risk reward 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, and then if I leave a piece of the trade on, so be it. I just let it continue to run and ultimately move my stop every time price action or a candle or bar tests the profit band and then continues in my direction. So my stop would have started here at the base of this candle. I would ultimately moved it here. I would have then moved it here. And I probably would have even snugged it up right here where I would have gotten stopped out, but really not too far off from the ultimate high of that move. And that's the whole idea. So trend seems to have changed. You can see that right here behind this arrow, we had a trend change occur. We had an arrow to the downside print. Here's our impulse, our first correction through the profit band. And this is the triggered candle. The triggered sell price came in at 45.2275. Now, this went $115 to the upside, 460 ticks from entry to its absolute high. Listen, if we get half of that, or even a portion of that, to transpire over the next couple days, guys, that is a massive, massive, massive profiting opportunity. So just to recap the trade rules here, wait for a new trend change right there, okay? First correction through the profit band right there. Trigger bar prints right there. Enter at the close of the trigger bar right there. Place your stop 1 tick, pip, or penny beyond the trigger bar. So 1 tick above this bar is where the stop goes. And then take profits as per your management plan. As I shared, I take my profit, 1-to-1 risk reward, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, and then if I decide to leave a component, a few contracts or whatever on, I just then let it go. And then my next, move would be, again, adjusting my stop and ultimately getting stopped out of that last bit of the position. And that would have been probably moved here, followed by here, and then ultimately followed probably by this little test of the profit band where I would have eventually gotten stopped out. No big deal. Shit happens. It's fine. Getting stopped out in the profit is a wonderful, wonderful feeling. So, guys, again, you can sit and watch all these videos. I really don't care. I'm using this software to make money for myself and my family. My traders are using this software to do the same for themselves. This is completely adjustable. It works seamlessly, on stocks, futures, and Forex. So I don't care what you trade. You just need a NinjaTrader platform, which I can even provide for you at no cost. All you have to do is feed it data, and this will work seamlessly, again, for any asset that you so desire to trade. Guys, this is simple. It is brainless. The entire trade plan is here in the bottom right of the screen for you. I mean, I fucking wrote it out. How much easier can I be? How much easier could it be other than me doing it for you, which I absolutely refuse to do. I do not believe in helping somebody who's not willing to help themselves. It's just who I am. But I will help you get started. I will help you get this software up and running. I will help you refine the plan. I will help you become a trader. That I will do. So I have a variety of ways for you to get started. If you're somewhat proficient at trading and you just want the software, great. I have a couple packages built around just providing you with the software. If you need help, if you need some hand-holding during the trading process, you want exposure to me live every single day, now I have packages built around that as well. You can go to anthonyspeciale.com/profit-pack. That's what this program's called, the Profit Pack. And you can learn more. There's a few dozen videos on there you can watch to really get a full feel for what this is like. Again, this is fully adjustable to ultra conservative to ultra aggressive. If you're a scalp trader, fine, there's a setting for that. If you just want to trade down the middle as normal, there's a setting for that. If you want to trade ultra conservative, looking for big moves, like $115 on the S&P 500, 460 ticks inside of 3 trading days. There's a setting for that too. Now, this is my preference, again, because I don't need to nickel and dime the market, but you can set the preference to whatever you want, and it is fully adjustable in anywhere in between our recommended settings. So just because our recommendation is there does not mean it's gospel. You can do whatever you like with it. But this is how it works. It's clean. It's simple. There's no bullshit on your chart, no Bollinger Bands, no moving averages. You don't need volume, stochastics, relative strength, all that stuff. Do I know how to use it all? Yeah, I've been doing this for 12 years. Am I proficient at it? Yes. But after trading, training trader after trader after trader, most of you are not that proficient at it. No disrespect. Simply because you haven't invested the time and the experience that I have. If you desire to put 10, 12, 15 years in to understand everything I understand, God bless you. But most of you will give up before that. So I've created a solution to allow you to just master 5 simple steps. Listen, your 5-year-old shouldn't fuck this up. It's really, really simple. So go to anthonyspeciale.com/profit-pack if you want to watch more videos, learn about the packages. You can email me, info@specialeanalysis.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. All right? So I'll see you in the next video, but we have a brand new fresh sell signal here. And if it performs a fraction of what last week's buy signal did, it's going to be a fucking spectacular move. And if you miss out on it, you have nobody to thank but yourself. I'll catch you on the flip side.